Imagine waking up at 5 a.m. and walking to the crowded bus and spending there 2 or even 3 hours. And this is the reality and the real life story of any regional student studying in Baku. According to the State Statistical Committee, Azerbaijan has over 260,000 students, and these students, because most of the universities are located in Baku, they have to move to the capital. And as the result of this, students struggle. And why this matter for us? Students who move here and adapt to new life are being more stressful, so we can see the effect from our group projects with them, or even the stressful atmosphere in university is the result of this. And today I want to explain you why the problem of student housing is important and how we can solve it. I will provide two solutions. The regional students often meet two problems. First is the lack of spaces in the dormitories, and the second is poor conditions in the existing ones. Since the dormitory fares are not quite low, students can afford them, but the real problem is accessibility of the dormitory rooms and the infrastructure. Students often reply that the current dormitories have really weak conditions, unstable Wi-Fi, or even not enough space for studying, so it affects their academic success. And this is real because University of Connecticut in USA supported this, saying that students who have stable and in-campus dormitories perform better and have higher GPAs than other students. And to fix this, I provide two solutions. Quick solution, according to azeedu.us, several universities were adopted and been using as houses for IDP families as a result of Karabakh conflict. And now when they move to other houses, these places are available again, and we can use them for renovating and building again dormitories. This would be an effective approach because this would not require any new land, or it will be less costly than building new constructions. And also this would provide hundreds of new buildings in several years, rather than the case for building new buildings. It is the example of the current conditions of some dormitories where IDP families were living for decades. And the second long-term approach is building new modern dormitories. Even though many might think that it is very expensive, the successful models already exist in my benchmark countries, such as Germany, Netherlands, and Finland. There, the cooperation of government and private sector companies has already shown that building new dormitories have effect to a better education for students, and this success returns to them, so investment is worth it. And again, those who think that it is expensive to invest in that, the renovation of old buildings is costing far less than building new ones, and the long-term approach has also shown being successful. And if we act towards building new buildings, student houses, we can help them to live the better lives, to sleep better, and actively engage in a student university activities. And this would also result in overall strengthening the workforce of Azerbaijan. But if not, students will have to spend their hours commuting through the cities, and they even may avoid involving in Baku universities because of this. And today I'm inviting you to sign a petition for for renovating old buildings and developing new dormitories. This would take you less than a minute, but would help students from regions to save hours, live better, and have equal conditions as us. This would help not only to them, it would also improve the Azerbaijan's quality and workforce in the future years. Thank you.